In this video, our topic of discussion is equation of a projectile. So here we are going to derive the expression or the equation for a particle which is trying to travel in a parabolic path. Okay. So let's say there is a particle which is projected at an angle theta with an initial velocity u in such a way that the particle is traveling in a two-dimensional plane. Let's say at some instant t, the particle is at a point p x comma y, where x is the displacement of the particle in x direction and y is the displacement of the particle obviously in the y direction. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to derive a mathematical expression expressing the relation between x and y in terms of some physics parameters. So let's see how to start. So we are going to apply the equations of motion along x and y direction separately. When I apply equations of motion along x direction, then the displacement of the particle along x direction is given by the expression ux into t plus half into ax into t square. I am applying s is equal to ut plus half at square along the x direction. So when I apply it, we get x is equal to the initial velocity along x direction is u cos theta into the time taken for the particle to reach the point p is t plus half into the acceleration of the particle along x direction is 0 into t square. So this value gets disappeared. So x is equal to u cos theta into t. Let this be our first expression. Similarly, applying s is equal to ut plus half at square along y direction will be like this. Sy is equal to uy into t plus half into ay into t square. So the displacement along the displacement of the particle along y direction according to our diagram is given by y is equal to u sin theta into the time taken for the particle plus half into the acceleration of the particle along y direction is in the downward part. Right? It is the acceleration due to gravity which is in the downward direction. If you take the upward direction as positive, we are going to take any vector in the downward direction as negative. So minus g into t square. Let this be expression number 2. So from 1, we can say that t is equal to x divided by u cos theta. Take this value and substitute it here. Then we get y is equal to u sin theta into t is x divided by u cos theta plus half into g is minus g into t square, that is x square divided by u square cos square theta. So we get y is equal to u and u gets cancelled, x into sin theta divided by cos theta, which is going to be tan theta, minus g x square divided by 2u square cos square theta. So if you observe, this is the required equation of projectile, and according to mathematics, if you observe, it is a second degree equation in x. So this represents a parabola which is facing in the downward direction, because from our 10th standard basics we know that if you have a second degree equation ax square plus bx plus c, it represents an upward parabola if the coefficient of x square, that is a, is greater than 0. It represents a downward parabola if the coefficient of a is less than 0, coefficient of x square is less than 0. If you observe the coefficient of x square here, it is negative, hence it represents a downward parabola. That is why if you observe the path in which the particle is traveling, it is following in a downward parabolic path.